Selamat sejahtera, nama saya Govinash, anak lelaki Morgan dan nombor metik saya ialah 09DEM20F2032. So, hari ini saya akan membentangkan tentang lab 1 iaitu Tensile Test. So, saya akan menggunakan sebuah link yang diberi untuk menerangkan tentang lab 1 tersebut. So, ini ialah link yang diberi. So, objektif to study the mechanical properties of mild steel specimen under tension load. Apparatus used: universal testing machine, dial indicators, extensometer, scale, and vernier calipers. So, for the first step, measure the initial diameter of the tension test sample in two perpendicular directions using vernier caliper. So, the diameter of the two perpendicular direction using vernier caliper is 12.34, and the average initial diameter is 12.34 millimeter. So the second step, measure the length of specimen between the grips using a scale. So the length of specimen between the grips is 213 millimeter. So the third step is punch marks are made at the distance of 2.5. So 2.5 is equals to 30.85 millimeter. Okay, so after punching the marks, for the fourth step, insert the specimen into its position and mount extensometer on the specimen. So we have to extend the extensometer, and now the specimen should be mounted. Okay, then after that we have to retract it again, so it will be in the place. So after that, the fifth step, readings on the dials A and B of extensometer are adjusted to 0. So 0 and 0. So least count of extensometer is equals to 0.01 millimeter. So for the sixth step, experiment is conducted. Load extensometer readings are read at regular intervals of load up to the yield point. Ivory scale readings are noted till the specimen's failure. So these are the readings. So this is the load in Kn, extensometer reading in division, A, B, average, and ivory scale reading. So these are the readings we can get from the extensometer reading. So after a while, we should stop the reading, and then for the seventh step, this is our graph for load versus ivory scale reading in mm. So this is the graph we will be getting after the reading. So after that, the load versus extensometer reading. So the load over here and then the extensometer reading. So we have to connect the for the step 9, join two pieces of the test sample and measure the diameter at the neck of the specimen. So we have to join the broken pieces into one, and then measure the diameter. So the final diameter now is 8.21. So So after that, for the 10th step is measure the final length between the three punch marks. So there will be five punch marks. So we have to measure the length between three punch marks. So now the final length between the punch marks is 87 mm. So now for the observation and calculation. So the yield stress is 960 4593. Okay. So the actual value is 342 and 9.98. So the percentage error is 0.9, and the actual value for the tensile strength is 485.18, and the modulus of elasticity is 209.1. The percentage of elongation 38.8, and the percentage reduction in area is 57.7. So that is all from me for today. Thank you.